Toyota has officially unveiled the 2026 Toyota Hiace, marking a major evolution of one of the world's most trusted commercial vans. Known for its durability, versatility, and dependable performance, the Hiace has long been a favorite among businesses, shuttle services, and families needing generous space. The 2026 model builds on that legacy with a refreshed design, upgraded technology, and improved efficiency. The exterior receives a modernized look, featuring a more aerodynamic silhouette and a redesigned front fascia with slimmer LED headlights. Toyota has also reworked the body structure to increase rigidity while improving overall ride comfort. Body variants, including standard roof, high roof, and long wheelbase options, remain available, ensuring that customers can still choose the configuration that fits their needs. Under the hood, the 2026 Hiace introduces a new engine lineup focusing on improved fuel economy and lower emissions. Depending on the market, buyers can expect options such as a refined 2.8-liter turbo diesel, an updated V6 gasoline engine, and for the first time, a hybrid powertrain designed for fleet operators seeking lower running costs. Toyota claims quieter operation and enhanced torque delivery across the range. Inside, the cabin has been significantly upgraded to feel more car-like and comfortable. The dashboard features a larger touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as improved climate control interfaces. Higher-grade trims now offer premium seating materials, additional USB-C ports, and more configurable storage compartments to accommodate diverse passenger or cargo requirements. Technology and safety take a major leap forward with the inclusion of the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision